Welcome all of our class. I am Durgesh Kumar Pandey. I am going to take a class of 11th. 11C, and your subject is political science. And your topic is class development. Class, you know what is a development? Development was conveys the idea of progress, growth, and well-being, and it also related to aspiration of to fulfill the aspiration of common people. Class, the development have some narrow meaning also. Some people were thinking कि development means the economic development only and modernization of society. But class, this is a narrow-minded definition. Development is not only to growth of economic. Development is not only the modernization. Development means to fulfill the basic needs of people like roti, kapda and makan, sadak, bijli and pani. This is the meaning of development. Development means every person have a education, health, they have a employment, they have a live in a peaceful and pollution free environment. So these things are also included in the development. Class, so development is a broad idea, and development means not कि when the government was making a plan, so one section of society was benefited and other section of society was take the burden of benefit. Okay, like you are know about the some plan like Namda Bachao Andolan. The government was making plan, and due to this plans, peoples were displaced, peoples were lost their livelihoods, and environment will also damage. So this, and when someone saying ki this is good, dam was good because we get electricity, it provide enhance the irrigation facility in the agriculture. But class, if someone has got the benefit, we are looking, some people who have lost their livelihood, some people who have lost their houses. So this is one section of society was taking the benefit, but another section of the society was in loss. Class, I want to say something about the development more. There was lots of criticism about the development. After the independence, our government was adopted a 5-year plan, first 5-year plan and second 5-year plan. But this plan was not fulfill the aspiration of peoples. Our challenges for development like poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, lack of basic amenities, or till today these are not properly available. So our government was making plan very good, but this was not properly implemented. After so many 5-year plan, our government, our India was still facing the problem of poverty, illiteracy, the lack of basic amenities, lack of safe drinking water, etc. So, class, so what are the challenges? The challenges, after the independent India was have a challenge of economical development. Our country was poor, and the ruler was saying that colonial master was responsible for this. After the independence, our country was facing the poverty, unemployment, illiteracy, and after making a plan and implemented, we still facing this problem. So class, so we have a challenge कि how we can come out from these challenges. These challenges was criticized by the because they have some social cost of development. Social cost of development means due to the planning of development, so many people were displaced from their habitats. They lost their livelihood, they lost their homes, and same time the peoples were also suffered from a environmental crisis due to global warming. Continuous use of petrol, diesel, coals, the greenhouse gases will increase in the environment like carbon dioxide, etc. And when these greenhouses will increase, so they make a layer in the upper side in the atmosphere. This is known as greenhouse. And when the ultra rays which are come from the sun which are come with the heat and light, the heat was trapped by these greenhouse gases, and due to this global warming, and the glacier is melting. Due to this, the country like Bangladesh and Maldives will submerge in the sea due to globalization. And same time the class, the depletion of ozone layer. We are using CFC gases, so chlorofluorocarbon. Chloro and fluoro, these two gases were going to chemical reaction with ozone layer, and they were damaged the ozone layer. And due to this, ozone layer was depleted over the Antarctica. So these are some social cost of some ecological, environmental cost of development. So the planner should be aware of this. One section got the benefit, another section will take in the burden of benefit, and our environment was continue destroying. Air was polluted, soil was polluted, atmosphere is polluted. What will can left for the future generation? So class, I am trying to give the meaning of development, what are the challenges of development, and what was the cost of development. We are discussing in this class. Now we are going to assessing the development. So after the independent India was adopted the 5-year plan. Soviet, we have adopted a mixed economy. Some countries were adopted a the path of economical development by the taking the loan from the rich countries. And many times these newly independent countries were failed to pay their loans, so they again under the new colonialism. So this model was development was good. You take the loan from the rich countries and invest in your economic development. Class, after the Second World War, many countries of Asia and Africa was got independent. They have a two path. Or you take, or anyone take the capitalist model and liberal democracy, or they take the socialist bloc or join NAM. So many countries were following the socialist model, many countries were following capitalist model, and India was decided to follow the mixed economy. Both socialists and communists, both they take the jointly, and India was adopted mixed economy with the help of private players and also with the government efforts. We will try to achieve the aim of development of our country. Class, many countries were adopting so many plans, but they were failed to reduce the poverty, reduce the unemployment. It means something is lack. Like after the independent India was making the 5-year plan, but it was failed because plan is good, but it was only on the paper. It was actually not implemented properly, because those person who was responsible for this implementing, they were itself a jamidar, landlords, so they were not properly implemented these ideas. That is why the 5-year plan was failed to achieve their goal. Class, if we are assessing the development, so we have the responsibility कि we take not only the economic aspects only, because so many peoples were when assessing the development, they were talking about the economic development only. What is the per capita income, and so this is not the good criteria to assessing anyone on the basis of economic development. Class, the United Nations Conference UNDP, United Nations Development Program, there was saying about Human Development Index. In this class, in this index, according to this index, the good health, employment, maternal mortality rate, and so many things are the base for the measure for development. What is the literacy rate? What does attendance ratio in the school? So on different these are the different indicator of the society, so they measure the development on these issues. Today it is very popular, roti kapda and makan. So in the development, good health, education, employment, shelter, means a home, these are the basic needs should be fulfilled. Class, Sadak, Bijli and Pani, these are the today's common slogan. During the election, so many political parties were using this slogan, Garibi Hatao. We will solve the problem of Sadak, Bijli and Pani. These are the current issues, and now this is the problem of our country. So when these things will be fulfilled, it means country is in the path of development. Class. If a child whose age is between 6 to 14 years, if he was going in the work, a child is dead due to starvation, it means this country is not developed. This country is under development, where peoples not have the safe drinking water. This is not development. Okay, class. So Human Development Index was measured the development of any country on the different measures. Ki peoples have a good health, education, shelter, the basic necessities should be fulfilled. Sadak, bijli and pani is available, safe drinking water is available for common people or not. So these are the criteria which are come under the Human Development Index. Maternal mortality rate is also on this basis it is decided ki what was the development class. If these things should fulfill of the people, it means a country is developed. Class, now our next topic is alternative concept of development. Class, what was the problem? Top down model. Top down model is the problem, class. Class, this top down model was the problem. The political leaders, the administrators, which take the responsibility of making plan and after implementing, they were not consulting to the common people. That is why the problems was come. This top-down model, the politicians, the top bureaucrats were not consulting to the peoples in their decision making. Okay, and many times the person who is responsible for making plan and implementing, they were trying to take the benefit of this plan, and common peoples were ignored. No one can represent their aspiration. So this is the problem. So what was the alternate method? First thing is right claim. Okay, class. It means if we are going to make a model, so we should be aware about what was the claim of a section of society. Like when we are going to implement a model, so we should be concerned to their peoples whose life is going to be damaged. Like when the government was implemented any plan, so some peoples were lost the livelihood, some people lost their home, shelter. So a government should be aware of this and take the responsibility. What was the claim? If anyone is saying we are losing their jobs, so it is the responsibility of planner to take the responsibility. And like in tribals community, some tribals communities were claimed that these are the common resources and the government should not take any action, take any program against the welfare of tribals community. because these resources was come under the tribals community. So we should try to understand what are the claims. From the thousands years peoples were living near the forest, so they have some claim. So government should be aware of this. Ki before displacing them, the government should take the responsibility of their shelter, their house, their livelihood, their shelters. Okay. Similarly, the future generation is also have some claim. The future generation is also the part of humanity, so we should aware of it. The planner should very carefully implemented any plan to take the right claim of different section of our society and take the responsibility of any if anyone is hurt. And next thing is a democratic participation. Class, democratic participation means when the government was going to make a plan, the government should be consult to the peoples whose life will going to be affected. Okay? The government should be consult the local government, like a central government is making a plan, so central government should be consult to the local government. Government should be consult the Gram Pradhan, the old citizens of the village where the plans was implemented. So in the decision making, people should be participate. लोगों की भागीदारी होनी चाहिए. Means in the decision making process, people should be participate. Government should be make the part in any decision, in their own decision. So it will enhance the quality of decision. Okay, class. And the last thing is development and lifestyle. And lifestyle. Class, देखो development means not कि we have a big car, we have a big TV, we have a cell phone, etc. Development, someone is measuring these are the development. This conception, the idea of development is aware of this. This is not a development. Development means quality of life is available for people or not. People live a quality of life. Their basic needs should be fulfilled. They live in a harmony. They respect the sovereignty of each other. They respect to each other. So these are the things come under the development. Means people's, it means not that people lost their freedom, people lost their equality. They have a right, but they should be aware about the environment, take the eco-friendly measure for the suppose class. If anyone is going to a big dam is big displacement, big loss. But if we are going to make a small dam, so the cost of making dam is low, and small peoples were displaced, a small number of peoples were lost their jobs, and the local people should be benefited. So in the place of big dams, we should be follow the idea of a small dam which will give the benefit of the local peoples. Class, so we should adopt a good lifestyle. We should not going for a luxury life. We should make a cooperation of understanding कि what is right and what is desire for a society. We should be eco-friendly. We should respect the others' idea. We have a right to enjoy but our rights, but we should be careful about the environment. We should be careful about the society कि no one take the burden of development. We should trying to provide justice to every peoples. So idea of better life is very good thing, very important, and we should try to create a better life for whole community, because a good life is possible when we should cooperate to each other. We should trying to plant more green plants, try to protect the environment, and we should serve the humanity. Thank you, class.